So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view Commons content that you pulled into one of your courses that has since been updated. Okay, so this may look like I'm actually in my Sandbox course, but you'll notice I'm actually in the course called Mark's course, which you may remember is the course where I imported the Sandbox course content from the Commons previously. So since then, I've gone into that Sandbox course, I've made an update, and now what I'd like to show you is how you can find that updated content. Because you'll notice my home page has not been updated to reflect the changes that I made in the Sandbox course. So I'm going to go over here to Commons, and when I click on Commons, I'm going to receive two updates. I'm going to receive a pop-up notification here telling me that there have been updates made to that course, and this would be the same as if the changes had been made to other content like assignments or quizzes as well. So I can either click View Update Notes here, or you'll notice in this nav bar up here I also have updates with 1 in parentheses signifying there has been an update made. So I can actively click on either this or this to go to the same place. So I'm going to click on View Update Notes, and that's going to bring me here. And it's going to tell me that there have been changes made to Mark's course through the Sandbox course. Okay? And so this is going to tell me, all right, these changes have been made. Do I want to update them? And you can actively pick if you do or don't want things to be updated. So I do want this to be updated. So I'm going to go ahead and click Update Selected. And when I do this, I'm going to get this notification here that says it's going to replace my current resource. Do I still want to update? So understand, you might pull something from the Commons from someone else or someone else's course, and you might decide that you don't like the updates. So you'll notice, here's the version notes that I can see here. These are the version notes, and this allows me to then decide, is this an update I want to implement? So if I do, then, and I agree with that, I'll leave one of these checked or both of these checked, and I'll click Update Selected. And then if I'm sure that this is what I want to do, I'll click Yes. Okay. So you'll notice that if I only have one update to make, I can choose to either dismiss it or update it. So it is going to take a little bit of time for the update to take effect, but let's jump back over to Mark's course and see if it has taken effect at this point in time. So you'll notice I get this message, one or more items are currently being imported. They will be shown in the course below once they are available. And I can view the import status by clicking on that link. Okay. And here it's telling me that it is currently running it. So I can view this, and once this has completed here, then I should be able to see those updates reflected in my course. So let's see what happens. Almost there. All right, it's completed. Let me go home. Let the home page load, and now when I scroll down, you'll notice that I do indeed have those modifications and changes made. Okay, so this just shows you how easy it is to import updates from either courses or pieces of courses that you have chosen to implement into your courses. The trick here is that you won't see any kind of notification here. You have to actively go to the Commons and check. So my recommendation is maybe once every week, or if you're doing this on a semester by semester basis, maybe once every semester, pop in and double check to see if there are any updates. Obviously, if you're the one doing the updates, then you'll know that there are indeed updates that have been made that you need to check out. Okay? So that's how you can implement updates that have been made to your courses. Now, I'm getting another one here, and this is most likely because I was actually doing a couple of things between the previous tutorial and this one. So this course here that has updates, I don't need any changes from this course made or implemented into my current course. So I don't need to worry about this because I already implemented it. So I can just click Dismiss here and say yes. And then this is what you should typically see if you have no updates to implement into your Canvas courses. So that's how you can check for updates in the Commons and either dismiss or integrate those updates should you choose to.